pair your Slingshot vehicle to the Slingshot LED app, follow these steps. First, to control the lighting kit, you must pair your mobile device to the lighting controller. Multiple controllers can be paired to the same phone and can be controlled simultaneously. When the app is installed for the first time, the user will receive the following prompt. With Android devices, nearby devices permissions need to be enabled for proper pairing. If ready to start pairing, press the vehicle start button to turn the controller on and continue pairing. Follow the pairing guide on the screen until reaching the page shown below. Then, hold the phone to the controller until the pairing is complete. First, click the 3 horizontal lines that are present at the top right corner of each page to access the device list page. Then, all paired devices will appear under Device List. Next, toggle the switch to turn each light zone on or off. The lights are on when the toggle switch is shown in blue. From this menu, paired controllers can be edited or unpaired. On iOS devices, the paired controller can be edited or unpaired by swiping left on the screen. On Android devices, hold the device title for 3 seconds to access the pop-up menu, where you can edit paired controllers. If an unpaired controller is nearby and powered on, it will appear in the Unpaired menu section. Tap on the unpaired controller to start the pairing process. For the color palette, each controller has 2 zones, labeled 1 and 2. Each zone can be assigned a color by dragging the zone dot to the desired location. Zone 1 controls the footwell and center console lights. Zone 2 controls the rocker panel and under seat lights. The zones can be grouped by dragging a zone mark on top of another. To ungroup, tap the group mark and drag a zone to separate. An animated light pattern can be assigned to a selected zone or group by using the scrolling effects selector. When using a solid light pattern, the slider can be used to adjust brightness. In breath or strobe pattern, the slider can be used to adjust pattern speed. The camera button can be used to set a light color captured by the camera. For example, you can point the camera at an object like the vehicle body paint, and the lights will set to the color detected in the camera. A highly saturated color works best. Click the plus button in the bottom right corner to open more lighting options. From this page, you can add currently selected colors as Add to Favorite, which allows for future quick access. You can also save currently selected colors as the default colors when powered on. The default function enables your default lights to turn on immediately upon vehicle startup. From the Lighting Themes page, you can select pre-built multicolor themes. Each theme is represented with its assigned colors and changing patterns. To customize a pre-built theme, click the eye icon in the top right corner of each theme. You can also click the New button in the top left corner of the screen to create a new theme. The zone marks at the top of the page act as a checkbox. By default, both zones are selected. You can click one of them to unselect a zone, which will assign a theme only to the selected zone. Using this method, the 2 zones can run different themes. From the Edit Theme page, you can edit or create themes. Up to 10 colors can be selected within a theme. 1 pattern can be selected. You can adjust light speed and brightness. The themes shown at the top of the Edit page will display a live preview as you make selections. The Music page has 2 modes, Mic and Song, shown in the top left corner of the screen. The default is Mic mode. which allows the color and brightness to dance to the sound heard through the mic. In mic mode, you can adjust the sensitivity based on the ambient sound for best light changing dynamics. Click the Mode button to switch to Song mode. In Song mode, the sensitivity bar is switched to Song Control Bar. In Song mode, music streaming apps like Apple Music, Spotify, and Pandora are not supported. In iOS, songs can only be played which have been purchased through iTunes. On Android phones, the song must be an individual file that exists on the phone. In single color mode, the color of the LED remains the same, and the brightness will dance to the sound. In multicolor mode, both color and brightness will dance to the sound. To change colors, click the plus in the bottom right corner of the screen. The motion page allows light dynamics to be synced to the movement of the vehicle rather than sound. The default for this page is acceleration mode, which changes lights according to the movement sensed by the phone connected to the lights. When the phone is in the vehicle, the light syncs to the acceleration of the vehicle. To simulate vehicle movement, shake the phone. By switching to speed mode, the light will change to the speed detected through the phone's GPS. For installation instructions, view the lighting kit instructions. To view more accessories, visit the Slingshot accessories page. For more information, contact your Polaris dealer or visit slingshot.polaris.com.